Good morning. It's Mr. Metzner with our daily "What do I do if dot dot dot" vlog. So today is about if your teacher asks you to log in and listen or watch a video, but yet that same teacher may have disabled the sound on the computer. So what do you need to do? Great question. What we need to do is to get a set of earbuds, preferably the ones that have the plug in them like this. So they don't always have to have, sorry, I don't know if it can zoom in on that. They don't have to always have the 3 lines like that. That means that these are stereo, and also it's an audio interface. So if I wanted to use them for talking on the phone while I'm listening to my BTO, then you can do that. But you need a plug like this, and the audio plug itself goes into the side of the computer just over here. All right, and I'm gonna plug that in here in just a minute. But first I'm gonna sign in to, First I'm gonna sign in to the computer. Sorry, I've got something on my screen I want to get rid of. Autofocus, there we go. So I want to sign into the computer, and then I also want to sign in completely online. So you'll have to do your students.leeschools.net sign in that you normally do. Enjoy the ceiling for a second. Actually, I'll put it here so you can kind of see me a little bit. But I'm going to sign in with my school email, students.leeschools.net, and then my passwordage, which, whoops, oh, I went to a different screen. Sorry, let me start that over again. So I'm signing in still, just so you know, and I'm still here. So let's do password. Okay. So yeah, I have a lengthy password. Sorry, not sorry. Recess. You don't have to do anything there. Now, once you're on and you're logged on, you can go to Classroom. The reason I say go to Classroom is this is to make sure that you are actually signed in. You'll see your icon right there with whatever profile picture you chose, and then these 9 dots. So if the teacher has put a link in Classroom, like I do quite often, like if I go to the digital design and I want to have you guys go to a YouTube video, then I'll usually put a link in there. But let's say you just want to listen to some beats, you want to chill, you want to do something on your own. So on that, you just go to these 9 dots, and let's say you want to go to YouTube, because that's probably your easiest bet to be able to listen to something that you want to listen to. And then once you're logged on over here and you're in Classroom and everything and you get there, then you're automatically logged on to YouTube. Now, if you don't see that, then go ahead and log on to YouTube, but my suggestion is still that you go through the process of logging in to where you can see your Launchpad, all the icons. Go through Classroom because it's just easier that way, because you have that access to the Google Apps, and then you can go to YouTube. Now, at this point, I'm just going to click on these lo-fi beats right here. Hide that chat real quick. Maybe. Oh my gosh. Let me refresh that because it's just not refreshing for me. Here we go. Awesome. And then just going to maximize that there. So this particular one, I want to thank, big shout out to Mateus for letting me know about this. And a lot of you said this is a cool one, and that girl's never going to finish her homework, and that cat's eventually going to fall off. But anyway, if you want to listen to that while you're doing some work, you're like, well, wait, it's playing, but I still see that no audio output. Okay, so in that case, you grab your headphones, all right, plug that in, do that over here, and then when you do, you're going to get this confirmation here. So usually it's going to be set to something like that, I think, by default. So if you want to use on-ear headphones, you can. I'm just going to switch over to earbuds and then click OK. Once that goes away, I'm going to pick this up to try to make sure that I got it. Yep. So there's the microphone. I don't know if you can hear any of that, but it is playing. So now the audio is playing. How I know that too is down here it shows the speakers / headphones, and I can adjust the volume here, and I can also just left click and adjust the volume here if I want. All right, so that way you can listen to whatever you'd like to. You can watch a tutorial video if your teacher has that set up too. For example, when I go to, like, this is one of the projects for digital design, and I go to my teacher's page, which is awesome, then you can watch these tutorials and see which one you want to do. Let's say I want to do this one with a little kid. So hit on YouTube there, and then ba-ba. Now, I know these ads play. I do have a solution to that too, but I'm not going to cover it in this tutorial. I just wanted to make sure you guys had access. So we'll skip the ads and we'll go into the tutorial. So now, yes, I can hear the audio and I am good to go. So that is today's what do I do if ... vlog, and I hope it's helpful. And we'll see you later. Have a powerful Wolfpack day.